We're out in Austin, Texas for the first ride and drive of this new Toyota Corolla Cross. This is a small SUV, fits right between the Toyota CHR and the Toyota RAV4. There's a sweet spot for this vehicle, and we're going to figure out just what it is. The Corolla Cross comes in 3 levels, the L, LE, and the XLE. We're driving the XLE right now. This is the top of the line. Toyota doesn't expect this to be a big volume vehicle, but for my money, if I were going to be going into the Corolla Cross line, the XLE would be the one I have to have. With that said, as you can see, the L, the base model, has more than enough creature comforts for the average consumer these days. And then when you go up to the LE, they add on to the L with even more features, and you go away from these steel wheels to the aluminum alloy wheels. But we really dig these 18-inch wheels on the XLE, and it's loaded. Wireless, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. You also get the tonneau cover on the XLE as standard equipment. On the front, you can tell the difference. The XLE is chromed out around the grille, and you have this little chrome bar here with Corolla Cross stamped in there. Subwoofer in the trunk, don't let it fool you. Stereo isn't great, but it's good for an entry-level SUV. Under the floor, all your tools for your spare tire, and you even get a power-operated rear deck lid. Second row is for small children with them, but it's a small SUV. You want anything bigger, you step up to the RAV4. The interior is set up like the rest of the Toyotas. Everything where you expect it to be, except a 6'9" driver. And he drove this car all day, no problem at all. He was actually quite comfortable, he said. Nice touchscreen infotainment system, 2 USB chargers, and I like these little flares over the wheels. Give it a nice little SUV-esque look to it. So it's more of an SUV than a crossover. Or at least that's what we thought Toyota was going for. Well, that's it for the Corolla Cross. We think they did a pretty good job on this vehicle. Couple of things I would probably change about it. Don't know if it would fit the lifestyle of somebody like me, but there's plenty of people out there that Toyota's been